How to use time freeze in Color Block Jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you'll be able to see different boosters that are available. So here on the left part, there's a time machine type icon. Simply tap on this time machine like icon in order to use it. So as you can see, the time is 10 seconds. So here you can use this booster in order to freeze the time, and it is very essential in crucial moments. So if you are in last moment and you are not able to complete it, or you have the chance to complete it, you can use this booster to freeze the time for 10 seconds and you can easily complete the level. So you can use it in different conditions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.